This is an ISP Bindery Mate 2 406 tabletop wire stitcher powered on 115 volts AC power. If you have any questions regarding this equipment, you can call and contact our sales department or visit us at boggsequipment.com. Or if it's an auction item, you can check the listing. There are foot pedals available for these units, but we do not have one for this unit. We'll demonstrate it operating. To activate the switch back behind here, behind the stitch head, to activate stapling. And this is the ISP Bindery Mate 2 406 tabletop wire stitcher.